clean the back side of this shed. It's got some green on it, just like all that green down there. And she wants this back patio cleaned also. So my surface cleaner for this, I still got to do property protection. You can see here's all your dirt dauber nests there. There's one there up in the corners up there. Over there. Over there. They got cardboard put around to keep birds from building nests up here. I told her it's going to get wet. So she knows about it. We have a big dirt dauber nest right here. That's what's inside of them. Yeah, we've got some algae growth down here. And there at the bottom. Mainly just dirt daubers back here in the back on this north side. And then the algae. And we've got some broken party board right there. So house wash. Regular house wash. You got some mold and mildew and stuff building up over there. That's from coming down. And you got some black grouse there. Up top. And a couple dirt dauber nests. And more cardboard. She doesn't want her concrete cleaned. Even though I tried talking her into it. Guys, already washed most of that side over there. As far as my hose is reaching, I'm going to have to take the hose around the other way. And this down here has been dwelling for about 10 minutes. Just downstreaming it. And I am going to have to probably hit that with pump-up sprayer along with that over there. And maybe this column here also. Comment, tell me the parts that you liked and the parts that you didn't like, what I could do better. See how down here all that black is gone, dirt daubers are gone, back patio pressure washed, surface cleaned. All of this that was down there is all gone. I had to hit it with straight 10%, but it did the job. It took care of it. And around here over in this corner where it was black, I downstreamed that at first and it took care of it for the most part, but then I just came back and hit it with strong. And there was some black down here too that I got taken care of. And over there on those bricks.